Timeline. History of the U.S. United States healthcare system. In the early 1900s, original medicine began. Every, every physician came together to create the American Medical Association. It became a powerful influence of healthcare legislation. In 1912, Theodore Roosevelt and his Progress Group campaigned for mandatory health insurance. 1920, General Hospital and Baylor University endorsed health insurance for their employees. 1930, Great Depression offered government benefit to America. 1940, during World War II, President Harry Truman introduced a health care system that offered health care coverage. 1950, legislation made changes to health care. 1960, President Lyndon B. Johnson signed Medicare into law, providing health coverage for people age 65 and over. 1970, President Richard Nixon signed the Health Maintenance Organization Act to help reduce costs. 1980, healthcare established a large hospital system. 1990, the cost of healthcare rises. 2000, healthcare insurance system reform law to expand coverage for a large number of insured individuals. In 2010, Barack Obama signed the Affordable Care Act. On December 29, 1973, President Richard Nixon signed the Health Maintenance Organization Act. This law promoted a particular type of health insurance called the Prepaid Group Practice Service Plan or Health Maintenance Organization. This law promoted HMO in many ways. Number one, removed state laws that prohibit HMOs. Number two, it offers federal subsidies to establish new federal qualified HMO. Three, it created standard for the federal qualified HMO to a nonprofit organization to cover a level of care and charge member the same premium. Number four, it allowed employees who offer health insurance to offer the HMO option which were available. Number five, it allowed HMOs to adapt various organization structure. Healthcare terminology help physicians to understand each other and communicate efficiently. When professionals understand what a condition, medical, or procedure is, they are able to fulfill their role. It helps create a safe environment for patients and employees. If all employees fully understand staff communication and training, even if HIPAA compliant, it also helps improve patient safety. Quality communication among members of the healthcare team improve patient by reducing the number of mistakes. If a physician knows the patient for medical history, including procedure or condition, it helps that physician prescribes a safe, efficient treatment for that patient. If someone is confused and putting the wrong condition or procedure into the chart, they can make a huge difference in the care a patient receives. Treatment may be less efficient or in some cases dangerous. It can also improve patient experience. When a member of a team know medical technology, they can also help the patient learn what those terms mean. Patient education helps patients become a more active part of the care team, leading to improved satisfaction if they know medical terms, also it can also help you avoid making coding or billing mistake that a patient may have to call up to correct.